Dr. Saqib Hussain Ansari, consultant pediatric hematologist and bone marrow transplant physician. Dr. Saqib Ansari has more than 20 years of experience in pediatric hematology and bone marrow transplantation. He is also the CEO of Children's Hospital Karachi. He was the director of the BMT unit at NIBD from 2013 to 2018. He is also involved in teaching and training of MBBS and postgraduate FCPS, MPhil and PhD students. He is an HEC approved PhD supervisor and an adjunct faculty at Dow University of Health Sciences. He has more than 70 publications in peer-reviewed journals. Dr. Saqib Ansari has been working for thalassemia prevention for the last 2 decades and has made thalassemia eradication from Pakistan his life's mission. He is also the pioneer of HbF augmentation therapy for beta thalassemia, which has helped a large proportion of thalassemic patients in Pakistan to live a transfusion-free life. This contribution of Dr. Saqib Ansari to thalassemia management has been acknowledged at both the national and international levels.